Okay, I went to the Dollar Tree and picked up a few goodies. A picture frame from the Dollar Tree and a bag of gems. I'm gonna create a tray, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue this in so the tray is not, or the picture frame is not sitting directly on the counter, and we're gonna start creating us a fall inspired bar. And I found these little things as well. I thought these were perfect fall. They're mirrored. They're awesome for what I'm using. I thought this was also a cute dish, so we may use this. So what I'm gonna do now, starting off, and I'm gonna use this as my K-cup holder. So I'm gonna turn the small one on its side and glue it down and glue just to give it some height. So I'm gonna start off gluing the picture frame together, the feet. So awesome. So let's move on and give you a few more ideas. I actually really like this color green from the Target spot, the dollar spot. So I'm going to even leave that mirrored tray, maybe take the green away, and because that has green, look at it, it matched the Dollar Tree leaf so well. And I can just take and place our K-cups here in the leaf, just like that, and then even maybe a few creamers for a pop of color. Look at that, that is so cute. I love it. All right, so that's really simple. And then if you don't even want all of this stuff, look at this, just bring a little fall. But I think the mirror reflects the light, so it makes it look so cute. So if I take the sign away and just put that, that is super cute. And we can even take, like if we leave that alone, but let's take the K-cups away. Oh, look at that. I love that reflecting because of the lights under it with the machine. I think that leaf is so cute. Okay, and then we can even take the greenery and add the sign back in because I would like the sign. Look at that, that's super cute. Okay, let's move on. I found these metal signs here at the Dollar Tree, and it's thankful, harvest, and welcome. So, oh, it's thankful, harvest, and welcome. Let's try the thankful sign. And okay, so now I'm gonna switch the tray out. If you don't want to DIY a tray and you have one, I'm gonna use one of these frames here. This one is just a little larger. Let me show you. This one is the 7 by 5. I'm gonna hot glue the word thankful directly onto the frame, and then I'm gonna take these leaves off and attach them to the frame. Okay, I have the word thankful there. I put the big leaf, and I'm going to place the medium sized leaf. You can do it here in the middle or however you like to arrange it. Even down here will be cute. Ooh, I don't know. Do I want them all the same way? I'll do one upside down like that. Yeah. You can barely see it, but I like it so much. It looks like an acrylic. Then add a little flower. Just add a little sparkle. This is from Pure One. You could definitely DIY it. It's just a coaster. And to give it a little more sparkle, I'm gonna place the... What I'm gonna do is take this little vase that I did use to rise it. This is a small little cup from the Dollar Tree. These came from Portishead. They were only like $2. They like diamond shape. I'm gonna flip one over, hot glue and we're gonna glue. I'm gonna put it at a little angle just for some fun. Have another idea. Look at the thankful sign. It's so cute. It's mirrored. I love those leaves are mirrored. You can do so much with them. This is another idea. A little glam coffee bar, coffee station, coffee setup, however you want to call it. So cute. Got everything you would need there. I like it. This little DIY is so cute. You can place this even in your windowsill, up there above the sink if you want to. Okay, here's another idea. I placed a tray that I got from Home Goods. I love the size of it. It's not taking up a lot of space. I'm gonna just place a little drawer. You can find something very similar at the Dollar Tree. I got that from like a little garage sale. And look what I found. I thought this was so cute. I found that at the Dollar Tree. So if you want to keep it very, very simple. And this is these pumpkins that came in a bag. They came on a pick and I just pulled the pick off. And look at how simple and cute that little coffee station is. Oh, I love it. So glam, so simple and cute. I love it. And you can even add back in. If you wanted to add your K-cups in, move that over. And look at that. Oh, I love it. You can even add in a few more pumpkins. Let me add a few. Yeah. You can even break one down like this. Break this one off. And I can add a little pumpkin here. If you don't like the orange, I like the pop of color because it matched the K-cups. But if you don't like the cake, this you can definitely spray paint it or paint it and do whatever you will like. So that's one idea. I can take these away. I could just sit here and style this all day long. And then I have picture stand or something, also from the Dollar Tree. These little plates may have came from the Dollar Tree, I believe. Look at that. How can that transition? That's so fall-y. Look at those metallic. I absolutely love it. And then if you wanted to, you can bring back in the tray we just made. This is the one we just DIY with the frame and just glued those little things on the bottom just to give it a little height. You could also bring it back in with some greenery. You can even use that same plate stand and you get the same look for less. I love that idea. That is so cute. We can take this plate stand away. I think this is so, I love that. That is so cute. And then you can also again bring back in, move this over so you can also see it. This little picture frame is a perfect size as well. You can add a little pumpkin there and you have your pumpkin spice. Oh, I think it's so cute. Let's take this away. We can take this away. Leave the little pumpkin. Add in the little Target dollar spot sign. I'm gonna lean mine back on the wall. Like that. You can even just leave the sign and then just bring some greenery. Look at that. You can just do so much. Just look at this. You can bring in, this came from the dollar spot as well. Look how simple that is. And if you want a pop of color, you can do that. You can even add in this little sign. That is cute. So the possibilities are endless. Yes, it is. I absolutely love it. And if you, even if you wanted to keep the K-Cups little sign back, I like it leaning. And then I'm going to use this sign and we can cover up our K-Cups if we don't want those seen as much, but they're still accessible. And you can use that. Of course, you can stick the pumpkin back there. Oh, that is so cute. And if you want a little more sparkle, just add in that. Look at this. I think it's so cute. You get the same effect with this. This tray cost us what, all of $2 to make, and it's the same effect as this tray that costs like $24 at Home Goods, but it's giving you the same reflection. And if you don't have under the cabinet lights, you can also use string lights. I think even if you took that this little drawer that we made with a leaf, let's move all of this and put that back, and we can add in, turn in our little string lights here and just hide the battery pack. And you can even hot glue the battery pack behind the leaf on there. And okay, and then we can take this off. We can add in our leaf tray back. We can take this away. Look at the little stream lights. And then let's add our thankful sign back in. The one we put, let's put this to the back. Ooh, this will be cute with some string lights behind it as well. Just hide the battery pack behind the leaf. Look how simple that is. And then if you want to add a little whimsy, you can put the move stuff around. And I like that it's clear. So look. And then you can see the stream lights through the picture frame. And then if you want to add a little pop of color, you can add the little pumpkins in the back of there. And then you can even add a pumpkin here. That's super cute. Okay, so I hope you guys grab some little inspiration, some tips. I know I was a little bummed out because I don't have my things here, but I was just in the fall spirit. I saw so many people creating little fall. Oh, I love that little sign. That is my favorite there. And this is cute too. So I could just sit here and just play with all this stuff. You can do this stuff under $5 and create you a cute little coffee station. You really, really can. I think it's so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to leave that here, and I'm going to put this there, put one little pumpkin, and I'm going to call that a day. And then I can even throw some coffee cups on there if I wanted to, or even if I didn't want the coffee cup itself, can even just put a coffee mug down there as well. So that's cute. Or even have a sugar I can put this here and put my little K-cups in there if I wanted to, you know. Yeah, so there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY that we created. You can use those little flower things, stick them on so many items. You can, even if you had an existing tray and you wanted to add a little fall, look at that. You could just add the little mirror. Oh, I think that's so cute. I may even just stick it on my wall. I don't know. But there you have it. There you have it. There you have it. We have played in with so many different ideas and ways. We create us a Dollar Tree tray. I showed you guys just the possibility are endless. We glued us some stuff, made us a little K-cup holder, all of that. Hope you guys enjoy. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed these ideas and these type of videos. I had so much fun going into the Dollar Tree. I will speak to you guys very soon, come up with some more ideas and share them with you guys. Bye. So the possibilities are endless. It really, really is. So folly. And if you want to add just a pop of orange. Look at that. So you could just mix and match. This little thing is a lifesaver. I think it's really, really so cute to add that. And if you want to even get fancier at Home Goods, they have the little knobs, and this will make it even higher. That'll be really cute. Something like this if you wanted to go higher. This is a tad bit too tall, but maybe these. Oh, those will be cute on the bottom.